focused on the battle over the outdoor restaurant ban and the talk of possible new restrictions. Rachel.
Yeah, Susie and Juan, despite what they called a very robust discussion, the LA County Board of Supervisors voted to reject a motion by Supervisors Kathryn, Barger and Janice Hahn to reconsider a ban on outdoor dining, which is being imposed because of a recent surge in coronavirus cases. So what that means is the suspension of outdoor dining will take effect at 10 p.m. tomorrow for at least 3 weeks. They will switch to takeout and delivery services only. Supervisor Kathryn Barger said there's no scientific data to show that the increased number of cases is coming from or linked to outdoor dining. Barger said the numbers show that the recent surge in spread is coming from large outdoor gatherings where people aren't wearing masks. She believes the closure will devastate the dining industry further and people will end up hosting and attending more private gatherings. Meantime, LA restaurants have been going to court over the dining ban. Despite a last-minute plea by the California Restaurant Association this morning, a Los Angeles Superior Court judge rejected their request to block the ban. Another lawsuit was filed today on behalf of a downtown LA restaurant named Engine Company 28, which is owned by attorney Mark Garagos. They are hoping a judge will issue an injunction to stop the county from imposing the ban.
This shutdown has no basis in science. It's a complete show. The Department of Health's contact tracing information itself shows that county government buildings actually have a higher rate of COVID transmission than any outdoor restaurant that's been operating. We are here to make sure that people that own restaurants, people that work in restaurants, people that rely on restaurants for their survival have a way to keep going.
Now, during the Board of Supervisors meeting today, LA County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer outlined more specific recommendations, and those recommendations would prohibit all public and private gatherings of people not in the same household, except for outdoor church services and outdoor protests, set occupancy limits for outdoor retail businesses at 50% capacity, set occupancy levels or limits for essential indoor retail businesses at 35% capacity, and set occupancy limits for non-essential indoor retail businesses at 20% capacity. Now, in all of these situations, masks and social distancing would be required. It is not immediately clear when these recommendations would go in effect. But again, the outdoor ban on the restaurants will take effect tomorrow at 10 p.m. Reporting live in Studio City, Rachel Kim, KCAL 9 News.